Hey everyone, yeah, I got a bit sidetracked earlier. Anyway, I'm up to what I was planning to do today now. So I'm looking at Topp Dogg's Rainy Day music video. This was released, this was released in November 2016, so over a year ago now, because we're in like January, February, March. I'll get there, God. Days, weeks, months seem to blow together for me sometimes. March 2018 now. So here we go, everyone. Well, there's rain in it, which I'm not surprised because it's called Rainy Day. Yeah, it's got a bit of it's a sad song already, you can just kind of tell. Love his pink hair. Like the leather raincoat, that's kind of interesting. But they've all got coats on, but some have got kind of longer coats. Ooh, broken glass bottle. Now we're indoors. Change of scene. Yeah, there's many interesting points in this dance too that you're seeing in the music video, especially with the hand movements. A lot of movements kind of representing like praying forgiveness and like the symbolizing rain. Oh, Topp Dogg in the background. I only just spotted that. Can't pay more attention to the other aspects of the music video. I wrote Topp's been used in a few other music videos too, I've just realised. Okay, so that's Topp Dogg's Rainy Day music video. Now it's really it's a soft song, it's really sweet, it's slightly sad, but it's not too like deep and sad, but you can tell it's a really sad song, you know, rainy day. With the dancer, it was very interesting how like they had certain aspects of it that kind of represented like, you know, it's raining and all that, and you can tell that it's like it's got lots of raw and painful kind of emotions to it, but it's not too deep. It's just more, it's not real deep, you know. It's not like pure heartbreak or kill myself kind of emotions. It's more broken heart, and I will get over it, raw emotions, but at the moment I am hurting. That's kind of more the emotions you really get back out of this song. It's a good song. I do like it a lot. Not much really more I gotta say about it. Like I said, it's a good song. The music video is really beautiful, and it, like I said, the dance movements, several moments like covering the eyes, you know, not wanting to believe what they're seeing, and just the whole lifting the hands up and pulling them down to represent the rain, and just slightly like the way they're kind of pulling, slightly like forgiveness, praying, you know, that they kind of slightly symbolise that just with the way the hand movements and that before they pull them back down to represent the rain and that. So as I said, really beautiful music video and a good song that I do like. So that's my reaction to Topp Dogg's Rainy Day. Bye everyone.